Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
At the New Jersey hub, the Under-11 cliffhanger clash found Dream Cricket Thunder and RRANJ Apex locking horns in a duel where every run was precious and every wicket a turning point.
Amidst the cheers of ardent fans, the young brigades took the field, their eyes gleaming with determination. The toss saw Thunder choosing to wield the willow in this anticipated tussle.
A low-scoring thriller where ball dominated bat, the narrative became one of resilience and tactics. Thunder's struggles with the bat were mirrored by Apex's determined chase, leaving spectators on the edge of their seats.
Each delivery was a chapter, each wicket a plot twist. Thunder set a humble target, but Apex pursuit was anything but easy. The match was finely balanced on a knife edge until the very last.
Thunder's innings was a tale of starts but no flourishes, save for Subramaniam's valiant 19. Notably, it was the extras that inflated the score as Thunder's batsmen found themselves ensnared in Apex bowling web.
Apex bowlers, particularly Bansode and Arun, spun a saga of tight lines and lengths, scripting Thunder's downfall. Their miserly spells penned a challenging chapter for Thunder, who stumbled to a paltry sum.
Apex's reply was a narrative of caution and calamity. Wickets fell like autumn leaves, but Bansode's 30 runs proved the anchor in tempestuous seas, guiding the chase to safer shores.
The Thunder roared with the ball as Karthik and company crafted a defense of guile and grit. Still, Apex batsmen held their nerve, scribbling a victory that seemed an improbable tale halfway through.
Bansode emerged as a protagonist for Apex, with stellar acts both with the ball and the bat. Karthik's precision bowling for Thunder etched his name as one to watch.
These young maestros played pivotal roles. Bansode's all-round brilliance and Karthik's economic spell shaped the game's arc, leaving an indelible mark on this captivating encounter.
RRANJ Apex edged their victory by 4 wickets, navigating a tricky chase. Thunder's total, bolstered by generous extras, seemed a tease, but Apex, led by Bansode, found the key to unlock this thriller.
Apex triumph was a testament to their fortitude, a result that speaks volumes of their tenacity. A chase that tested their mettle, but they emerged with smiles, teaching the Thunder a lesson in perseverance. The hub still echoes with the saga that unfolded, fans dissecting every move, every shot. A game that will be etched in the annals of Under-11 lore, a testament to the future of cricket.
As the dust settles on this cliffhanger clash, one cannot help but marvel at the promise these youngsters hold. Today's heroes, tomorrow's legends, a match that foreshadows epic tales to come in the cricketing saga.